It's been a couple days since I did a village update, so I thought I'd explain what I have going on. Right now, the end piece to the mountain and then the end cap of the train tunnel aren't in its place because I've got those in the office working on them. The new platform, I figured out how I want to hide the sides of that. So I cut a piece of styrofoam, and that is going to act as my base for these mountain facades. These are pieces that I had from last year, so there's a few of them over here. What I'm gonna do is hot glue these on to the side here. So my only thought is, I don't like how there's nothing underneath. So to me, it kind of looks silly. So I think what I'm gonna do is just maybe grab another plastic tablecloth and slide it up underneath the foam base and kind of cover this area, and then it'll cover any of my cords that run from underneath that table to the middle table. So let's go into the office and I'll show you what I have going on in there. I got a lot. I'll explain all this on the floor in a second. So the end piece of the mountain, I did buy another tub of lightweight spackling, put a coat of that on. I didn't worry about covering those seams up very much. So I also painted it white and then sprinkled a little bit of glitter in it. So when the lights hit the mountain just right, it'll glisten like snow. So the seams of the styrofoam, I didn't try to cover those up, because what I'm going to do is take some black paint, gray paint, mixture of all, and just kind of run it in there and highlight those seams so it's like the different layers of the mountain. Over here, this is one of the mountain facades I have to paint. I think I've already painted them all white. Yeah, they've got a little bit of, this one has a little bit of glitter in it, but this one hasn't. I think I ran out of paint. Yeah, it looks like it needs to be painted still. So I need to grab more paint and then put another coat on that and add some of the glitter, and then go and do a little bit of highlighting with some black and gray. And then here's another piece here. So this is the hill for in front of the ski chalet on that new platform. I did trim it back a little bit more. It does have a coat of spackling, a coat of paint, and then some glitter. But now that I stand here and look at it, I don't like, at least in this area, I don't like how I can see the seams of the styrofoam. So I think what I'm going to do is come back in with a little bit more of that spackling and get that as smooth as possible, because I want it to look like, there's snow. I don't mind like on the sides to be able to have the seams, because I'll do like I'm doing on the big mountain. But if the kids are sliding down the hill, it's got to be smooth. So I need to work on getting that a little bit smoother. And then over on the chair, I have the end piece to the train tunnel. I don't like the color of it right now, so I will be painting that again. I have some rocks that I grabbed at Dollar Tree, I think, and I'm thinking about gluing those all around the tunnel entrance or exit, however you want to look at it. I don't know though. I don't know if I like it. I kind of need some opinion, so let me know. Should I leave those on there? Should I hot glue those on? Or should I figure something else out? So put it in the comments if I should hot glue those rocks on. Then on the floor, I've got fall decorations for the front porch. Well, except for those paper mache boxes. I've got another project that I'm working on for those. So I've got almost everything I want for the front porch to decorate for fall. I got a couple more things that I got to find. So I got to go dig in the storage room and see if I can find what I'm looking for. And then I'll start decorating. So let me know if you want to see a video of me, if you want me to do a video of how I decorate the front porch for fall with all this stuff. or even if you want videos of me decorating upstairs for fall, because I think this week fall is going to get sprinkled in the house. So in the comments, let me know if you want videos of how I decorate the front porch and the house for fall, and then if those rocks should stay on the end cap or not.